Interlace your fingers. Inhale, reach arms up overhead with palms facing the sky. Lengthen the spine. Exhale, lean over to the right. Lengthen tailbone down, keeping length on both sides of the torso long. Knit the front rib cage in, bring shoulders away from the ears. Inhale, back to center, lengthen the spine. Exhale, lean to the left, firming both feet to the floor. Weight evenly distributed. Lengthen tailbone down, belly to spine, shoulder blades pressed down the back. Inhale, back to center, lengthen the spine. Exhale, lean to the right, firming both feet to the floor. Keep length on both sides of the torso, navel to spine, shoulders away from the ears. Inhale, come up, lengthen the spine. Exhale, lean to the left, lengthen the tailbone down, spin your chest upward, belly to spine, shoulder blades down the back. Inhale, press back to center, keep your arms there. Inhale, exhale, as you twist your upper body to the right, head stays in line with the shoulders. Keep hips, legs, and feet squared forward. Exhale as you untwist back to center, keeping your core strong. Inhale, exhale, twist the upper body to the left. Lengthen your tailbone down, bring the right hip back, navel to spine, head in line with the shoulders. Exhale, twist back to the center. Inhale, twist to the right, hips squared to the front, knit front rib cage in. Head in line with the shoulders. Exhale, untwist back to center. Inhale, twist to the left, lower body square to the front, lengthen the tailbone down, head in line with the shoulders. Exhale, untwist back to center, arms down by the side. Inhale, arms up overhead, palms facing each other. Exhale, bend your knees and shift your hips back and down. Knees don't go beyond the toes. Lengthen your tailbone down, knit the front ribs in, shoulders away from the ears, eye gaze to the floor in front of you. Chair pose. Inhale. Exhale, turn and twist from your navel to the right, bringing the left elbow to the outside of the right thigh, 2 inches above the knee. Look towards the back wall or side wall. Pull the left hip back. Bring your palms together at prayer. Reach the left arm down to the mat beside your right foot or on a block. Inhale, reach the right arm up towards the sky, following the fingertips with your gaze. Exhale, release the right arm down, keeping a bend in the knee, come back into chair pose. Exhale, stand and bring your arms down by your side. Inhale, arms up overhead, palms facing each other. Exhale, bend your knees and shift your hips back and down. Knees don't go beyond your toes. Lengthen your tailbone down, knit the front ribs in, shoulders away from your ears, eye gaze to the floor in front of you. Inhale. Exhale, turn and twist from your navel to the left, bringing your right elbow to the outside of the left thigh, 2 inches above the knee. Look towards the back or side wall. Pull the right hip back. Bring your palms together at prayer. Reach the right arm down to the mat beside your left foot or on a block. Inhale, reach the left arm up towards the sky, following the fingertips with your gaze. Exhale, release the left arm down. Keeping a bend in the knees, come back up into chair pose. Exhale, stand up, arms down by your side. Root into the 4 corners of your left foot, the big toe, pinky toe, inner and outer heel. Shift your weight onto your left foot and begin to bend your right knee. Inhale, lift your right knee up and turn it out to the side, bringing the sole of your right foot to the inside of your left ankle, calf, or thigh. Exhale, bring your hands into prayer over your heart or stretch your fingertips up to the sky. Lengthen your tailbone down, knit your front rib cage in, shoulders away from the ears. Inhale, bring knee back to center, hands come to waist. Exhale, raise your right knee until you can reach and grab your big toe with your right thumb and peace sign fingers. Find a spot on the floor 4 feet in front of you to hold your gaze. Keep your left hand on your left hip. Find stillness. Stay here, or exhale, stretch your right leg forward, bring your leg closer towards your face, and swing out to the side. No worries if you fall, come back into Tadasana and try again. Maybe try reaching for your toe and maintain your balance there. There is no need to extend your leg all the way just yet. You can also use a strap around the foot. Exhale, release your hands or strap from your foot and place your foot back on the mat. Root into all 4 corners of your right foot. Big toe, pinky toe, inner and outer heel. Shift your weight onto your right foot and begin to bend your left knee. Inhale, lift your left knee up and turn it out to the side, bringing the sole of your foot inside your right ankle, calf, or thigh. Exhale, bring your hands into prayer over your heart or stretch your fingertips up to the sky. Lengthen your tailbone down, knit front rib cage in, shoulders away from the ears. Inhale, bring your knee back into the center, hands come to waist. Exhale, raise your left knee until you can reach and grab your big toe with your left thumb and peace sign fingers. Find a spot 4 feet in front of you and hold your gaze. Keep your right hand on your right hip. Find stillness. Stay here, or exhale, stretch your left leg forward, bring the leg closer towards your face and swing it out to the side. Again, no worries if you fall, just come back into Tadasana and try again. You could reach for your toes and maintain balance there. You don't have to extend the leg out all the way. You can also use a strap around this foot as well. Exhale, release your hands or strap from your foot and place your foot back on the mat. Step your feet apart and squat as if you were on a horse. Inhale, turn your toes out slightly towards the outer edges of your mat at 45-degree angle. Exhale, bend your knees and come into a wide squat, working to get your thighs parallel to the mat. Keep your knees pointed in the same direction as your toes. Point your tailbone down and slightly bring your hips forward. Bring your hands to heart center in prayer and engage your core muscles. Inhale, stretch your arms up above your head, palms touch. Exhale. Inhale and rise up onto the pads of your feet. Stretch actively up from the pelvis through the crown of your head, down from the pelvis through your feet, and up through your fingertips. Inhale. Exhale to stand, feet parallel, arms down. Rotate your feet to the short end of the mat. Cartwheel your arms towards the top of the mat, palms on the floor. Come into down dog. Take a few breaths here. Shift your weight forward and come into high plank. Lower your body all the way down to the floor in one line. Bring your legs close together, reaching the legs back and long. Firm the glutes. Place palms underneath the shoulders with elbows tucked into the body. Inhale, engage your lower back muscles. Lift your torso off of the mat, not pressing into the hands. The hands are just there for support. The lower belly sinks into the mat, heart forward and up. Release the shoulders away from your ears, cobra pose. Exhale, come down. Bring your legs close together, big toes towards each other, and reach the legs back, long, firm the glutes. Inhale, lift the head, upper torso, arms and legs away from the floor. The legs don't need to come up very high. The front pelvis, low ribs, and belly anchor the body to the floor. Arms up parallel to the floor, palms in, reaching through the fingertips. Squeeze the shoulder blades together. Gaze is forward. Keep the neck long. Stay here. Or, if this feels okay, bend your knees and hold the outside of your ankles. Kick your legs away from you with an inhale and lift your head and chest off of the floor. Balance yourself on the lower belly. Relax your shoulders back. Press your feet into your hands and kick up towards the sky. Keep your neck in line with your spine. Lower down on the exhale. Come to a seated position. Bend the knees and bring the feet in towards the groin. Soles touching. Lengthen the tailbone down, stack shoulders over the hips, neck long. Knees pointing outwards. With the first and second finger and thumb, grasp the big toe of each foot. Outer edges of the feet pressed firmly on the floor. Sink deeper with each exhalation and relax. On the next exhale, slowly lift the feet up towards the level of the heart. Press the bottom of the feet together. Pull the feet towards the chest and press the chest towards the feet. Stare at the big toes for balance. Hold the pose here for 3 breaths. On the last exhale, lean forward and release the toes. Stretch your legs out in front of you. Bring your heels to touch. Inhale, lengthen the spine, arms up overhead. Exhale, hinge forward from your hips, leading with your heart. Hands can hold the sides of your feet, shins, thighs, or press into the floor. Exhale, pull your abs in towards the spine and fold deeper while keeping a long spine. If you're holding your feet, bend your elbows toward the floor. Plunge your shoulder blades back and down. The back of the neck is long. Inhale, draw your shoulders down the back and broaden your chest. Exhale, pull your abs in towards the spine and fold deeper while keeping a long spine. Inhale, come out of the fold. Straighten the elbows and come into an upright position. Lie on your back. Place your feet flat on the floor, ankles underneath your knees. Let your arms rest at your sides. Inhale, lift your hips up and set them down 2 inches to the right. Let your knees drop to the left. Take your arms wide or reach your right arm to the upper right corner of the room, palm faces up. Gaze towards the right. For a deeper stretch, cross the right knee over the left. Bring the legs back down to the floor. Release and come back into center. Inhale, lift your hips up and set them down 2 inches to the left. Let your knees drop to the right. Take your arms wide or reach your left arm to the upper left corner of the room, palm faces up. Gaze towards the left. For a deeper stretch, cross the left knee over the right. Bring the legs back down to the floor. Release, come onto your back, and squeeze both knees into your chest to bring the spine back to neutral. Extend your both legs out wide. Bring the arms out wide to the side with palms up. Close your eyes, relax all of the muscles, and let your body melt onto the floor. Right here is where we reap the benefits of today's practice. So please stay in Savasana for at least 2 minutes. Relax your forehead. Relax your eyes. Relax your nose. Relax your mouth, lips, teeth, and tongue. From here, journey down your body, relaxing every area. Breathing is normal, and just be in this moment. Savasana. Feel free to stay in Savasana for as long as you'd like. And let me end by saying, may we be happy, healthy, and blissful. May we take the peace we found today on our mats out into the world. The divine in me sees and honors the divine in you. Namaste.